Wow, man, that looks crazy. I've never seen a cross.
Dude, I want to see. Wow.
This feels like Baghdad.
Hey.
Boom, boom, boom. Imagine if we were on the roof of this place. Look, we're only 2 floors up.
Nice. Nice.
We're actually 10th. Only 12.
Imagine if we went up to the roof, a couple more floors up, and snuck up to the roof. You know what the sad part about this is, though? People are celebrating 4th of July to celebrate. They don't celebrate for the real reason.
I do.
You know what I mean? Rare, like a rare few. They just try to find another excuse to get off work at 3.